Hi everyone, welcome to my passion with EBD. Yes, in today's video I want to share with you a new recipe. This is my first time trying it out and it's aubergine sauce. So if you're joining my channel for the first time, I want to thank you for coming in. Please kindly subscribe to my channel, and to my returning subscribers, thank you guys for always coming back to watch me. So let's get straight to our recipe. First on my list is 3 large aubergines, 3 color bell pepper, 2 scotch bonnet depending on how spicy you want it, 1 large onion bulb, nutmeg, ginger, basil and coriander leaf, some curry powder, jumbo seasoning, palm oil, salt, smoked mackerel, locust bean, snail and crayfish. I'll go ahead to prep my vegetables first. Make sure your eggplant is properly washed, and then you have to cut this. While you are cutting this, you can preheat your oven. I'm going to bake it a little bit in the oven. So some people prefer to boil theirs, they boil it first before blending. I'm going to go ahead and grind my crayfish. Yeah, I don't want the whole one, so I want the powdered one, and I don't have that at home, so I'll rather blend them myself. I will begin to fry my snails before proceeding to the next thing. As you can see now guys, the eggplant is done in the oven. So what I'm going to do next is to blend them all together in a blender, and I'm not going to add any water to that. If you have a mortar and a pestle, the mini one, you can as well use that if you don't want to use the blender. Heat up your pot and add some palm oil. Allow that to heat properly and add your onion. Once that is a little bit fried, then you add your locust bean and stir them together. Guys, oh my god, I wish you guys can perceive the aroma. When you fry your onion and locust bean together, that aroma, oh my god, it's so lovely. Go ahead to add your chopped peppers and onion, add your curry, add your basil leaves, add your coriander, add your ginger powder and nutmeg and mix them together. So guys, if you've watched up until this time and you are yet to subscribe, kindly subscribe and like this video. Add your all-purpose jumbo seasoning powder and add some salt to taste and mix them together. With your kitchen scissors, you can as well chop your scotch bonnet. Once I am through chopping that in, I went ahead to scoop in my aubergine batter. It wasn't fully blended, but just a little bit, and I then went ahead to add my shredded mackerel, and that flavor, guys, it was just it was everywhere. Then This is the part I love, my snails. I love snails, guys. I love snails a lot. Then that was the last one I added, and I gave that a little bit of stir. If you feel that consistency is too thick, you can add some water to it. And then I went ahead to add my grounded crayfish. I allowed that to cook for an extra 15-20 minutes before I had to turn off the heat. Then I thought, what am I going to have this with? And I decided to have it with some sweet potatoes. So guys, let me know in the comment box below what you usually have this sauce with. I had it with sweet potatoes and I truly enjoyed it. So we've come to the end of this video, guys. I hope you like it. Let me know your thoughts in the comment box below. Till I come your way again next time with another recipe, stay cool and be happy. Bye bye.